Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your computer run faster, a lot faster. Now first I just want to advise you that I was not paid to make this video, nor am I employed by any companies that I may mention in this video. I consider myself as an experienced computer user and have been working on computers for over 15 years. Now before I show you how to make your computer run faster, you need to understand what causes your computer to run slow. As you use your computer, files accumulate. They get changed, replaced, and deleted. And as you install new games, programs, and other software on your computer, these files can sometimes conflict with each other, and even malware such as viruses, spyware, and adware can secretly get installed with them. And this leads to your privacy being compromised, computer vulnerability. It leads to crashes, freezes, slow browsing, and slow loading times when you turn your computer on. Now if you were to manually correct these issues yourself, it will take days just to find these files, and so what many people do is they take their computer to their local computer shop, where it can cost as much as $150 each time to get it running faster and performing like new again. Now if I show you how the computer shops make your computer run faster, you'll be shocked that they charge so much for so little work that they do on their part. You see, there are software programs today that can fix all the issues that I mentioned in just a matter of a few minutes, and you can do it yourself even if you have absolutely no experience with computers, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Okay, first you want to go to the link shown on your screen and download a PC tool that many computer shops around the world use for this exact purpose. And you can find it at softdeal.org/regcure. You'll also find the link directly under the video in the description, and it'll take you to this download page you see right now. They don't require you enter an email address, a credit card, or nothing. You simply click the download button and you choose where you want to save the file. Click save. I've already downloaded it. I just re-downloaded it again. Now I do want to tell you though that this software is free to download, and what it will do is it will scan your computer for a variety of issues causing it to be slow and unresponsive. And once those issues are identified, you will then have to buy the software for either $29 or $39, depending on if they're offering a $10 discount, in order to fix those errors. And I can guarantee you that you won't find a better tool at a cheaper price. Now Regcure Pro is a product from a company called PredoLogic, which has extensive knowledge and experience with computer problems, and they're also a Microsoft partner. As you can see right here, they are actually partnered with Microsoft. Therefore it makes this software highly respected with many PC shops around the world. So if you haven't yet, download this tool and you can walk through it with me as I demonstrate how to use it. Okay, once you have Regcure Pro downloaded, you simply click the icon on your desktop and it will bring up this screen as you're seeing now, and it will automatically start scanning your computer to find out a variety of things that are causing your computer issues. What's making it slow, what's making it freeze, crash, and boot up slow. And what I want to do is go over and explain just a few details of what this software does and show you how powerful it really is. Now if I go to System Scan, I'll go ahead and start scanning mine again. You'll see the first thing it scans for are system problems. These are issues with ActiveX, system and registry issues. These are files deep down in your computer that sometimes just get there's too many of them, or they get relocated to different areas, and the computer can't find them, and so it ends up slowing your computer way down when you're doing searches and performing other actions on the computer. Malware are viruses, spyware, trojans, and things like that can harm your computer. It will search for those, and it will also identify performance problems. And the performance issues, once they're removed, it will boost the speed and performance by removing unneeded processes. And what it does is it identifies things that are running in the background of your computer that don't necessarily need to be running, and it basically stops them. It will also get rid of and delete your junk files and your privacy items. And so if you have items on your computer such as credit card data that you've entered, or anything that is of personal to you, those can be wiped off your computer also, so there won't be no way for hackers or anybody else to get a hold of those. Junk files accumulate over time when you're searching the internet, downloading and installing programs, deleting programs. There's a lot of temporary files that get created that you're probably just not even aware of that different software tools use, and what it'll do is locate these junk files and it will get rid of those as well. And so I'm going to go ahead and stop this scan. Well, it's just about done now. And you can see here my system is overall in good condition because I do this scan almost on a daily basis. And if you haven't done a scan for quite some time, you're probably not going to be in the green area as much. Matter of fact, the system problems, performance problems will probably be up to critical. First time I done mine, that's where they were at. And so I'm going to go ahead and stop the scan.
You canceled your scan. Warning. There are 98 detected problems that need your attention. Click Fix All to resolve these problems.
Okay, and it's basically talking to me and telling me that there was 98 problems found and I need to correct them. So once done scanning, all you have to do is click the Fix All button and you're done. That's it, and it's going to basically fix all these issues for you, and it took just a couple minutes to do. Now, if you downloaded the free trial to do a scan on your computer, your button probably won't say Fix All. It'll probably say Register. I'm not sure, something like that. But if you click on it, it's going to take you to where you can purchase Regcure Pro. Now, normally it runs for $39, but they run a pretty frequent $10 discount, so where you can buy it for $29, and that is for one computer. And I believe you can add additional computers to that as well for more of a discount. But for $29 you're not going to find a better program that's going to keep your computer out of the shop, and also it's going to keep your computer running a lot faster. So from here on out you can fix your own computer from your own home and not worrying about taking it to a shop and someone charging you $100 or $150 to do it for you. Now just real quickly, I want to go over some additional settings they have on here. They have a restore where you can back up and you can restore your computer just in case certain files get deleted that weren't supposed to. I've never had that issue. There's additional tools. There's a process manager that shows you everything that's running, the overall performance of your computer, and you can also delete or end the process of any files that's currently running on your computer in case they're bogging it down, and sometimes you can read over here and you can see exactly what the files are too. If you don't know what they are, I wouldn't recommend deleting them because it may be a system file. And then there's also Startup Manager. These are files you can disable, and by disabling them that means they will not load when your computer is booted, which will allow your computer to load a lot faster. So if you turn on your computer and it takes forever for it to load, this area here is what you need to be looking at, because it's probably the files that are booting up here that's causing it to take so long. File Manager, you can find certain programs to open certain extensions. In other words, like a Adobe file. If you want to know what opens up a PDF file, you just type in PDF. Click Find Software, and it's going to show you exactly what you need to download in order to access that file. So that's a neat tool they threw in. It has a defragment tool, which is also on your computer. It's just conveniently located here. And this is really neat. It's a browser helper object manager. So if you have a bunch of toolbars on your Internet Explorer browser, Firefox, or whatever it is, and there's something like coupon bar, things like that you don't want there, maybe they're Yahoo, Bing, any kind of ads or just whatever, you can disable all those here. And then there's additional settings you can go through just to tell Regcure Pro how you want it to scan your computer. Now once you're done, you just click Fix All and it's going to go through the process, and like I said, it's going to automatically clean all these items, fix all the items, and it's going to overall cause your computer to run a lot faster. So if you want to check it out, like I said, the link is under the video here. You can click on the link and it will take you straight to the page where you can download the free version of Regcure Pro. And I don't recommend you buy it until you download it and you actually scan your computer. That way you know for sure whether you really need it or not. Obviously there's no reason to pay for software if you don't really need it. So download this free trial, check it out, and see if your computer really needs it before you do buy it.